Hey, welcome to David's Garage. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you how to put this storage panel in your Land Cruiser. Buckle up. Here's the template the vendor included. I've found that paying a little bit extra for stuff like this makes the job go a lot quicker. I'd like to thank this week's sponsor, 4LoHo Farm Tools. I've marked the spot welds you need to drill out. That's to get rid of that secondary reinforcement back there so you can pop the whole thing up. I'll show you that in a second. So here's part of that secondary reinforcement they're talking about, and you can see how you drill out the spot welds there. There's a couple here because there's a panel there as well. That's how I chose to drill it out. I'll go ahead and snip these off real quick. Go ahead and take the extra minute to point the company logo in different directions when you apply the foam padding. That was a nice thought on their part. All right, so here's the finished product. I wouldn't say it's cavernous, but just a set of jumper cables, a winch controller, yank strap. We'll go ahead and put a voodoo rope in here and a couple of shackles. It's not too bad. Thanks again for joining David's Garage. Remember to like and subscribe. Have a good weekend.